she Hispanic?
Well, she's from Mexico. Like, she just recently moved here.
His roommates got married last weekend. He played this at the end of his wedding.
That's awesome.
It's just not going to stand tune, I'm sorry.
It's fine.